الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. So moving on, we're going to discuss the علامات الإعراب الفرعية of أفعال الخمسة. Now, here we have أفعال الخمسة and we have أمثلة الخمسة. Now, before I explain the difference between the two of these, what is أمثلة الخمسة or أفعال الخمسة? There are 5 types of verbs. If the فعل المضارع has either one of these 3 at the end, it has alif of إثنان, the alif of tasniya. For example, تفعلان يفعلان. If it has a waw of jama', تفعلون يفعلون. Or if it has what? The ya mukhataba, like what? تفعلين. So altogether, there are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? But then this comes how many times? 3 times, isn't it? So add 2 more is 7. Okay? 7 in our table of 14, 7 of them follow this pattern. But in theory there are 5 because these are the same. Taf'alan is the same. So any fa'al mudari has an alif, waw or ya mukhataba at the end. This is called the af'alul khamsa, the amthatul khamsa. Now, some call it af'alul khamsa, but the more correct term is al-amthilatul khamsa. Why? When we went to al-asma'u sitta, okay, so it's asma'u sitta, not af'alul khamsa. Why? It's a difference. Because in asma'ul khamsa, the asma'u sitta, the asma'u sitta are 6 particular words, known words. What are they? Abun, akhun, famun, hamun, and hanun is ikhtilaf. The afsa is qasruha. Correct? Huh? And dhu. Correct? Now these 6 are only these 6. They don't apply, it's not only the patterns or certain formulae or certain sigha or certain mithal or bina. These are 6 known words and these are the only words that have this rule. As opposed to this, there's not 5 verbs that, only yaf'alani can this pattern. What is it? Al-amthila, amthila is the plural of mithal. Mithal is the same. You have mithal, you have bina, you have sigha, same thing. So 5 sigha, 5 siyag, 5 forms. So any verb, whether it's yaf'alani, yansurani, yaqulani, yabi'ani, yarmiyani, they all follow the same pattern. They're not 5 verbs, they're 5 patterns. That's why it's more correct to call these what? Al-amthilatul khamsa. Correct? And the i'rab is very simple. What's the rule? Thubutun noon when it's marfu' and hazfun noon when it's what? Mansub or مجزوم. واجعل لنحو يفعلان النون. واجعل لنحو يفعلان النون رفعا وتدعين وتسألون. So here, this is معطوف عليه, معطوف and معطوف. Okay? Alif, wow, yeah. Okay? So any فعل المضارع, any فعل المضارع which has alif of tasniya, the ya of mukhataba, the waw al jama'. So make a place for the likes of yaf'alani, tad'ina and tas'aluna in noon in the state of rafa. waj'al li nahwi yaf'alani nuna raf'an wa tad'ina wa tas'aluna. Okay? وحذفها للجزم وحذفها للجزم والنسب سمة. وحذفها للجزم والنسب سمة. And it's removing the what? What's Hazami referring to? The removing the noon for jazm and nasab is a sima. What's sima? Sign. Simahum fi wujuhi min athari sujud. And ism is called an ism because some say based on this one. It's a sima, it's a sign. So وحذفها للجزم والنسب سمة. And its removal for a jazm or a nasab is a sign. Ka, this is when you have these when you get confusing. It's like ka lam. So it's like it says kalimun kalam. It's ka lam takuni litarumi madhlama. Ka lam takumi litarumi madhlama. He's given an example here. What's the example? So ka lam. Lam is a jazim. So this is really takunina. Noon is mahzuf. Okay? And then تكوني مجزوم فالمضارع مجزوم بحذف النون Lam is lamul, what do you call it? Lamul juhudi. And after lamul juhudi, what do you have mahzuf? Muqaddar? An. So lam takuni litarumi madhlama. You were not such that you would intend to do wrong. Madhlama is evil, wrong, oppression. Correct? So again, it's very simple. We've done this in much detail in the previous book. We've done it in Qatl we've done it in Awamil al-Birqi and Tahsib al-Awamil. Correct? So Amthalatul Khamsa is what? Thubut al-Nun and Hasf al-Nun, Nasban wa Jazman. Yeah. Subhanallah bihamdi subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.